Good evening. My name is Michael Guditus. I'm with Fairfax County's Office of Emergency Management. We're here at the McConnell Public Safety Transportation Operations Center. I wanted to introduce you to one of our partners here at the P-Stock building, Don Willis from Virginia Department of Emergency Management. He, along with Virginia Department of Transportation, Virginia State Police, and Army National Guard are here to help us get through this weather, this severe blizzard that's affecting us right now. Our main message right now is to say, stay off the streets, wait for this beginning of the end to finish. This snow should end tonight sometime around midnight. Although roads are still extremely hazardous, please stay off the roads. Keep winter safety preparedness in mind at all times. Don's got a couple things to say about safety as well, so Don Willis.
Yes, Don Willis from VDEM Region 17, and again we're deployed with the state assets in the region, and again talking with our VDOT partners and our state police partners, as well as our National Guard soldiers that are embedded with our state police, to stay off the roads. If you don't have to go out, don't go out. Stay off the roads for at least after the snowstorm stops, 24 to 48 hours, so that VDOT can clear the roads and we can get everybody back to some sort of normalcy. Thank you.
Thanks.